Hi, Brendan here again. I just wanted to show you around my online business part site so you can see exactly what we do. When you become a pro partner with us, we will make you a website just like this one, which gives you full access to all the products and training we have here. But not only that, you will be able to sell all of these products for a full 50% commission, and you will have all the training material to show you exactly how to do it. Now, if I just show you around here, what you will get is the ultimate traffic training, which I actually sell for $249 at a time, which you will be able to sell. You have access and be able to sell Easy Sketch Pro. I actually sell that for $149 a time. You will get full access to that. You will also have access and be able to sell the Ultimate Graphics Bundle, which I sell for $179 a time. You will have access to that. You will have access to funnels. So you'll be able to create the funnels for each product here, and you'll be given access to ways of promoting it. So we've got resources and videos, you've got analytics, we make banners for you, customized banners for going to exactly your site. We'll give you email swipes, and in the training we'll give you a 14-day training HQ to get you started straight away. We have the sales funnels bootcamp to show you how to do this. And obviously you have access to the full traffic training yourself to give you that head start and that jump start to get you selling online. And not only that, we will actually send your initial traffic to you to get you well on your way to making your first sales online. So go over now to onlinebusinessport.com, click the link below, and let's make 2019 a year to remember, the year you fired your boss.